Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Profile BBA College, Vapi. In the subject Human Resource Management, SYBBA, third semester, we understood the meaning of training in the last one e-session. That training is the process of improving knowledge, skills, and aptitude to perform the job. In today's session, we will be going to discuss about off-the-job training methods. Now let's try to understand first off-the-job training. Under this method of training, trainees are separated from the job situation and his attention is focused upon learning the material related to his future job performance. Since the trainee is not distracted by job requirements, he can place his entire focus and concentration on learning the job rather than spending his time in performing it. There is an opportunity for freedom of expression for the trainees, and that is what the main advantage of the job training. Of the job training methods are vestibule training, role play, lecture method, conference or discussion method, program instruction method, and computer assisted instruction method. Let's try to understand in brief all these training methods. First one, vestibule training. In this method, actual work conditions are simulated, or you can say that duplicated in a classroom. Materials, file and equipment those are used in actual job performance are also used in this training. So here the dummy environment of the organization will be created, the Bollywood movie of Amitabh Bachchan, Aakhe, where there is a robbery picture created and training will be given to the three blinds, Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal and all three, based on creating the vestibule or dummy situational environment. So that is the typical example of vestibule training. This type of training is commonly used for training personnel or employees for clerical and semi-skilled jobs. The duration of this training range from days to few weeks. Theory can be related to practice. In this method can be trained and imparted towards the trainees. Now let's discuss second one method of the job training methods, that is role playing. It is defined as a method of human interaction that involves realistic behavior in imaginary situation, just like what happened in play. This method of training involves action, that means drama, doing, that means performing, and practice, that means repeating. The participants play the role of certain characters like production manager, HR manager, mechanical engineer, superintendents, maintenance engineer, QC inspector, foreman, workers, and like that. This method is mostly used for developing interpersonal interaction or relation. That means it will improve the relationship between two persons, that is superior and subordinate, by performing role of other party. The third one method, that is lecture method, which you are right now getting from schools and colleges. The lecture is a traditional and direct method of instruction giving. The instructor organizes the material and give it to a group of trainees in the form of talk. To be effective, the lecture must motivate or influence and create interest among the trainees. An advantage of lecture method is that it is direct and can be used for a large group of trainees at a time. Thus, the cost and time involved are reduced. These are the another advantages of this method. The major limitation of lecture method is that it does not provide for transfer of training effectively. So, these are the basic content of lecture method. One more drawback of lecture method, that is, this is one-way communication method, and there is no scope in case of any problem. The trainees are not supposed to communicate or share the problem with the trainer. Now, let's move further with the fourth one of the job training method, that is conference or discussion. It is a method in training the clerical, professional, and supervisory personnel. This method involves a group of people who pose ideas, examine and share facts, ideas and data, test assumption and draw conclusion, all of which contribute to improvement of the job performance and work behavior. Discussion has the unique advantage over the lecture method in that the discussion involved two-way communication, which was not there in lecture method, and hence feedback is provided so that there is lot of chances for improvement by listening the problems of participants. The participants feel free to speak in small groups. The success of this method depends on the leadership qualities held by the trainer. Now, next one, fifth one method, that is PI, stands for Programmed Instruction. In the recent years, this method has become very popular. The subject matter to be learned is presented in a series of steps, or you can say that the series of carefully planned sequential units. These units are arranged from simple to the complex levels of instructions. The trainees goes through these units by answering question or filling the questionnaire blanks. This method is expensive and time consuming because time required to plan this material in a sequential way. So that is the drawback of PI method. Now, again, a form of PI method, that is 6-1 method, computer assisted instruction. With the paradigm shift in IT, that is information technology as well as computer software, detailed instruction along with the follow-up test, feedback, detailed trainees queries, frequently asked question and answer are incorporated in the computer assisted instruction program. The trainee can learn at the time of their convenience. Added to this, online instructor clarifies unusual queries of the trainees at an appointed time. This program saves cost, time also for training and emotional feelings of the trainer and trainees. So, that is the brief regarding CAI, that is computer assisted instruction. CAI, that is the most popular in this pandemic situation also, where the whole syllabus of different courses will be planned, structured and assisted through various www channels. That is, you can say we are also using YouTube channels. So that is example of computer assisted instruction only, where the whole syllabus is divided into various videos and step by step instructed to the trainees, where we can save the cost and time too. And whenever the students or trainees are having convenient time, they can go through the videos. So these are major of the job training methods. Thank you, students.